Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Tejas Chaudhary is present.
Good morning. No need to say present. बेटा ये बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है who is present and who is absent. I know who is present and who is absent. बस अपना नेम चेंज कर दिया करो. Entry आपका होना चाहिए बस. That's it. No need to tell me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all?
Ma'am, I am fine.
Ma'am, I am fine.
No, अब मैं जब पूछूंगी ना तो ये नहीं बोलोगे. I am fine. You will say I am tired. I am happy. I am crying. I am sad. ऐसे बोलोगे. जो मूड होगा वैसा बोलोगे. Nobody will say I am fine.
Ma'am, I am
Okay.
Ma'am, I am sad.
Who is
Ma'am, I
sad?
am
Sad
happy.
कौन है?
Ma'am,
Priya, why?
Ma'am, I don't like maths because.
You don't like maths? Why you don't like maths?
Good morning, ma'am.
Because in the
Why you don't like maths, Priya?
because in maths there is a tables and I don't want to learn it.
Oh, you don't want to learn tables? That's why. अच्छा चलो, मैं promise करती हूँ, मैं आपसे बिल्कुल नहीं बोलूंगी कि tables learn करनी है, ठीक है प्रिया?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. But आपको बाकी maths पढ़नी पड़ेगी.
Okay.
पढ़ोगी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will you do
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Ma'am, I am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I am happy.
You are happy, Vanya. Okay. Okay, how are you all?
Ma'am, I am happy.
Ma'am, I am excited.
You're excited. Wow. Very good. Those who are happy and excited, very good. Is there anyone who is sad?
No, ma'am.
Is there anyone who is sad? No one is sad. Very good.
No,
This is
ma'am.
very nice. Now, Priya, are you sad?
Ma'am, now I am
Priya, are
happy.
you sad, beta? Now you are happy. Okay, very good. Open your cameras, everyone. Shaurya, Pratap, switch off your mic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And everyone, switch on your cameras. Camera on karo, Siddhant. Camera on karo.
Ma'am,
Priya, camera on karo. Shaurya, Akshita. Yes, Avika.
ma'am, when I am not in the meeting, so what are you saying?
Nothing I'm saying, beta. I'm saying when I will ask you, how are you? You will not say I'm fine. You will say I am happy, I am sad, I am crying, I am excited, I am dancing. Like this you will say.
Ma'am, I am happy.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You will tell me your mood, how you are feeling right now. Nobody will say I'm fine. I'm sleepy, I'm crying, like anything you can say.
I am happy.
Okay?
Ma'am, drink water.
Okay, very good. There are so many students sitting behind the camera but not switching off on their cameras. So what should I think? कि वो जो कैमरा ऑफ है वो गेम खेल रहे हैं सारे के सारे.
Ma'am, I drink water.
Yes. No need to ask me. Those who are sitting. Oh, happy birthday, Gargi. Have you? Today is Gargi's birthday. You all know that?
Ma'am, we are no.
You know that today is Gargi's birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, we are no.
No,
Today is Gargi's birthday. Everyone knows.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you wished Gargi? Wish किया Gargi को सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wish her once again, everyone, to Gargi. Where is
Happy
Gargi?
birthday,
Happy birthday, Gargi.
Happy birthday,
Gargi.
Happy birthday,
Very
Gargi.
Where is Gargi? I can't see Gargi. Where is she?
Happy birthday, Gargi.
Everyone, those who are sitting behind the cameras, जिनका कैमरा ऑन नहीं है तो मैं क्या समझूं? They are sitting in washroom or they are playing the game. Okay, she's Gargi. Okay. You are Gargi. Now I'm seeing you. Okay, beta. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
which
let us
subject?
start. You don't know me? Nobody knows me. Which subject I teach you?
Ma'am, I know.
Math. Ma'am,
What
math.
subject I teach you? Maths. What is my
Maths.
name? Do you know my name?
Maria
Ma'am,
Zamani
Maria
ma'am.
Zamani ma'am.
Yes.
Maria ma'am.
और कहाँ पढ़ा? यहाँ पर पढ़ा?
Maria ma'am.
पढ़ के बोल दिया मेरे नेम पे?
Ma'am.
I
हाँ.
know.
You know, very good,
Ma'am,
Vayu. Thank you so much. You know that. Chalo, let's start maths.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us start doing maths. Let me bring my book. You also bring your book. I also bring my book. Let us bring our books. Quick. Okay, I have my book here. Where is your book?
Ma'am, I'm thinking of
Beta, listen to me. Switch off your mics, everyone. Keep your mics off. Let me see who is not following my instructions. कौन mic off नहीं कर रहा है? I know everyone. किसका mic on नहीं है? मेरे सामने सबके names हैं. अभी मैं बोलूँ कि किसका mic on नहीं है? Who is Chaya Khanojia? Chaya. Keep your mics off. Arjun Yadav, Chaya, and Samarth Kumar.
Ma'am,
Keep your mics off. Keep your mics off. Chaya, keep your mic off. Arjun Yadav, keep your mic off.
Ma'am, I am saying, ma'am, which notebook?
Nothing notebook. पहले आप mic off कीजिए तभी बताऊंगी मैं कि क्या करना है. Okay, listen to me, everyone. See, whenever I have to tell you, मुझसे बार-बार नहीं पूछना मैम कौन सी book या कौन सी notebook. Gargi, stop doing this and look here. I will mention at the top. जैसे मैं बोर्ड पे लिखूंगी ना ये वर्क आपको क्या करना है तो I will write maths book या maths notebook. ठीक है और मैथ्स की एक ही नोटबुक है फेयर नोटबुक. ओके उसी पे करना होगा. अगर आपके पास बुक नहीं है तो आप रफ कॉपी में कर सकते हो. इफ आई गिव यू बुक वर्क, अगर मैंने आपको बुक वर्क दिया है ठीक है, इफ आई गिव यू सम बुक वर्क और आपके पास वान्या वायु माइक इज ऑन, स्विच इट ऑफ राइट नाउ.
Good morning.
कुणाल शर्मा प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर माइक. यू नो मुझे गुस्सा भी बहुत जल्दी आता है जो मेरी बात नहीं मानते. यू नो दैट. डू यू नो दैट? I get angry also at बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है. जो मेरी बात नहीं मानता उसके ऊपर गुस्सा भी आता है. So keep your cameras also on. Keep your cameras on. Okay. Now see here. When I will give you book work, I will write do in book. And if I will give you notebook work, I will write at the top do in notebook. Okay, so no need to ask me again and again, मैम ये कहाँ पर करना है, ये कहाँ पर करना है, तो कहाँ पर करना है ये मैं लिख दूंगी. आपको पढ़ना आता है? Do you know how to read?
Yes, ma'am, I know how to read.
Okay, everyone knows. Okay, switch off your mics. Mics off. Mics off. Mics off. Yes, you know how to read. Okay, जब भी मैं आपसे कोई question पूछूंगी, so you will say yes for thumbs up and no for thumbs down. Yes for thumbs up and no for thumbs down. All right. Do you know how to read? Very good. No mics on. Mic on. Nobody will do no mic on. Vashisht, keep your mic off. Do you know how to read? Yes. If you don't know how to read, you will put thumbs down. Yes, no ka question hoga, so you will do like this or like this. Yes and no. All right. Okay. Understood? Are you all good children? Very good. फिर वशिष्ठ ऐसे नहीं करना है. I told you yes, no. Yes, very good. Vashu, are you not a good student? Vashu, are you a good student? Yes. Okay. And what about those Samar, Prasang, Rohit, Sarthak, Vikram, Kartik, Shaurya, Sarakshi, Kalpit? क्या करूं बेटा मैं आपको रिमूव कर दूं क्लास से? आपको वीडियो तो ऑन करनी नहीं है. So shall I throw you out of the class? Okay, Ritvik. Okay, now everyone, let's start maths. Let's start doing maths. we have done. और मुझे सबका आंसर चाहिए. I want all of you present in the class. I want your answers. Okay, everyone will take a picture and send it to me on WhatsApp group. Once you complete your work, you will send me on WhatsApp group. Raghav, Negi, switch on your camera and keep it on. This is my strict warning to you that you will keep your camera on. Okay? Otherwise, I'll throw you out of the meeting right now. Camera off, और आप meeting के remove कर दूँगी मैं meeting से. And I want each and everyone's work whenever I ask you to do it. Yesterday we have done page number 3, है ना? Raghav, have you done page number 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. We have done page number 3 and 4. Yes, ma'am.
No, 4 नहीं. अच्छा 4 भी किया था. Yes. 4 का G part we have to do, है ना? Are you all feeling tired?
Yes, ma'am.
G question we
No,
have
ma'am.
to do. Question G.
No,
Are you all tired?
No, ma'am.
Okay, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. मैं जैसे जैसे बोलती जाऊंगी वैसे वैसे करते जाना है सबको. Stand up. Put your hands up. I can see those who are not standing. Vanya, you are not standing. Put your both arms up. Punishment है. School में मिलती थी punishment. Both hands up. Hands up.
From one hand,
Vanya,
I am
why are you
holding
not
the
doing?
phone.
क्या हुआ Raghav?
Ma'am, from one hand, I am holding the phone.
साइड में रख दो फोन को. एक पिलो के ऊपर रख दो. बस. Very good. Hands up. Up. Straight. Straight. Straight up. Down. Up. Sit down. Hands नीचे नहीं कर. Hands नीचे करने को किसने बोला? Hands नीचे करने को किसने बोला? No. Up. Okay. Now, how many of you are feeling sleepy? Those who are feeling sleepy, they keep their hands down. Those who are feeling sleepy, Aradhya, are you feeling sleepy? Those who are feeling sleepy, they put their hands down. Rudransh, नींद आ रही है? Samar, are you feeling sleepy? Vikram, are you feeling sleepy? Aradhya, are you feeling sleepy? Arjun, are you feeling sleepy? Aryan Gangwar, what is going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all feeling sleepy? Devvet, what is going on? Not standing? Vanya, क्या हुआ? नींद आ रही है बेटा? Hands up. Sit down. Hands up and sit down. Hands up and sit down. Hands up and sit down. Raghav, sit down. Raghav, sit down. Sit.
Ma'am, I am sit down.
अच्छा, you are sitting down. Okay. Okay. चलो, very good. Hands up. सबके hands up. अब मैथ्स ऐसे ही पढ़ेंगे आज. वशिष्ठ, hands up. मैथ्स ऐसे ही पढ़ेंगे आज. ठीक है? चलो, let us start comparison of numbers. What do you mean by comparison of numbers? Vayun ऊपर, Vayun hands up. Yes. What do you mean by comparison? Compare कब करते हैं? When do we compare? Any one of you can tell me? जिसके hands down होंगे उसे बताना पड़ेगा. जिसके hands down होंगे वो बताएगा मुझको. Vikram will tell me. Vikram Gurha will tell me what is comparison of numbers.
Ma'am, comparison of numbers means to compare numbers in two parts.
What, beta? Say it again.
Ma'am,
Rudransh, do you want to dance?
of numbers means to compare parts of a number.
To compare of a number. Okay. Okay, beta. Now keep your mic off. जिसके भी hand down होंगे, they will tell me. Let me see. किसके hand down है? किसके hand down है? The one who is having hand down will tell me. Let me see whose hand is down. Vayun. Vayun will tell me. Vayun's hands are down. So he will tell me what is comparison of numbers.
Ma'am, we compare
Divit,
the
are you
numbers.
dancing? हाँ बेटा, Vayun speak.
We can compare the numbers which are big and small.
Very good. We compare the numbers which is bigger and which is smaller. Okay, keep your hands down, everyone. David, stop dancing. Keep your hands down and sit down. Okay, now see, we have to check which number is greater and which number is smaller. Okay, if I ask you 5 is greater or 6 is greater, which is greater? Which number is big, 5 or 6? 6 is bigger. Very good. Very good. 6 is bigger than 5. Very good. 6 is bigger than 5. Acha, tell me 99 is greater or 100 is greater?
100.
100 is greater. Very good. 100 is greater than 99. Yes. Very good. Yes. Correct. हाँ बेटा. हाँ.
चैप्टर नेम क्या है?
बेटा numbers and numeration. अभी कुछ नहीं करना है, मेरी बात सुननी है. जब तक मैं नहीं बोलूंगी कि ये वाला पेज नंबर निकालना और ये करना है, तब तक कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा. सिर्फ मेरी बात सुनो. ठीक है, अभी कुछ नहीं करना है. Look at me. Am I looking good? Yes or no? So look at me. So look at me. Everyone will look at me. Okay, everyone will look at me. Not excuse. No excuse. Okay. Now let me teach you compare in a comparison of numbers. To say compare means to see which is big and which is small. Which is big and which is small. Okay? Big and small. So बेटा जो बड़ा होता है उसकी साइड माउथ ओपन होता है. Mouth big. Open your mouth big. Open your mouth big. Yes. Big means mouth open. Yes. Very good. Big means mouth open. Open your mouth. Small. Open your mouth small. Open your mouth small. Yes. Very good. Now the mouth is small. Very good. The mouth, when mouth is small, when the mouth is small, the mouth will be like this. Okay? And if the number is big, suppose 100 is there and 99 is there. Which is bigger? 99 and 100, which is bigger?
100.
100. This side mouth will be big. This side mouth will be small. Mouth will be
99.
Now let us check the digits. Okay, baby. See here. Now look here. Suppose the number is 125. So we have to compare these two numbers. So first of all,
125.
बेटा मुझे गुस्सा भी बहुत जल्दी आता है, so keep your mics off. Mics off, Gurkaran, Vanya, keep your mic off. Keep your mics off, everyone, quick. Gurkaran, I can see your mic on. Saransh, I can see your mic on. Gurkaran, I can see your mic on still. सब मेरी बात सुनोगे अभी. कुछ नहीं करना है, just look. बोलना भी नहीं है किसी को. कुछ बोलना भी नहीं है. माइक ऑन तो धोखे से भी नहीं होना चाहिए किसी का. ठीक है? Now look here. This is 305 and this is 297. अब हमें इन दोनों को कंपेयर करना है कि कौन सा छोटा होता है, कौन सा बड़ा होता है. तो हम कंपेयर कैसे करते हैं? See the first digit. ये वाला नंबर जो 2 is greater or 3 is greater?
3.
Don't be like this. or 3? Obviously 3 is greater. So this number will be greater. 3 is greater, so this number will be greater. Okay, keep your mics off. Samar, Kumar, keep your mic off. Yes. Now here see 305 and 315. These are two numbers. So how we will compare them? First we will see 3 here, 3 here. Here it is 0 and here it is 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So we will write like this. Okay?
Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा. Understood? Okay, now everyone open your maths books, page number. Everyone open your maths books. Open maths book. Open maths book. Page number 5. Page number 4. Page number 4. Open maths book, page 4. Do question G in book. Start doing and send me your work on WhatsApp. I want each and everyone's work. You have to write. Okay, I will ask one by one to read the question. Okay, Ayushi or Shreya, who is present today?
Ma'am, I am present.
You are Ayushi or Ayush Shreya? What is your name?
Ma'am, I am Shreya present.
Ayushi.
Acha, Shreya is present on another laptop today. Huh? Another device. Okay. Ayushi,
Yes, ma'am.
read the question number G from the book, page number 4. Read question.
Fill in the boxes using.
Why everyone's mic is on? Aradhya and this Shreya. Shreya, change your name. Ayushi, speak beta. बेटा इसको बोलते हैं greater than sign, smaller than sign and equal to sign. Say Ayushi.
Equal to sign.
Greater than sign, lesser than sign, and
Equal to
sign.
Ma'am, equal to sign.
Okay beta. Okay. Chalo, now start everyone. Start doing and send your answers to me.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Page number is written here. What is written here? क्या लिखा है ये?
Ma'am, I have sent.
You have sent. Okay, I'm sending. You can page number 4. It's written here. Page 4. Everything is written here on the board. Okay, let me check. You think I got your answer? Rohit ka liya sorry. All right, now let me see. I got the answer of third A, Vanya. Vanya, क्या करा है बेटा ये? Who asked you to do this? किसने कहा ये करने के लिए? ये पेज 4 है बेटा. पेज 4 लिखा है वान्या. बेटा मेरे से पहले नहीं करोगे जब तक मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ाऊंगी उससे पहले कोई वर्क नहीं होना चाहिए. रब इट वान्या. Rub everything. Saransh Singh. Okay, beta Saransh, very good. Very good, Saransh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Samar,
Online classes.
बेटा एक बात सुनो, मेरी पहले बात सुनो इधर. Divit, listen to me. मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है that you have sent it to me. I know very well. I am having WhatsApp. अगर आपने शेयर किया होगा तो मुझे मिल जाएगा. Okay. And Raghav, still your camera is off. Nobody will tell me. Divit, क्या बात है Divit, बोलो. बोलो Divit.
Yes, that I am saying that I have done that because I have not sent the pic because my brother is doing the online classes.
Okay, beta. Okay, you can show it to me, Divit. Divit, show it to me. Divit, show it to me. Show me your book.
Ma'am, I have done.
Divit, show me your book.
No, ma'am, I cannot send the pic.
बेटा कैमरा पे दिखा दो बुक ऐसे ही.
Ma'am, I send after 2 o'clock.
ओके बेटा, ओके चलो कोई बात नहीं.
Ma'am, I go to washroom.
समर्थ कुमार करेक्ट. यस.
Ma'am, please see my work.
Saransh, don't ask me this question next time. I will see myself. Okay, Saransh? एक एक करके चांस आएगी आपकी. जैसे किसी ने पहले भेजा तो उसको चेक करूंगी, फिर बाद में आपका चेक करूंगी. So don't speak in between. I'm checking each and everyone's work.
2, 7, 3, 2, 80. 280. हाँ. 655. 705. 600. मतलब यही है. 6, 6, 7.
And I have done my work and I have sent it also.
Now I have done my work. I send it also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Beta, no need to tell me that you are sending the work or you have sent the work. I will check myself.
Ma'am,
Okay?
I am telling, ma'am, I do not send pic after I send the pic after 2 o'clock. Brother is doing the online classes in the phone.
Okay, beta, okay. I said okay now, Divit. उस वक्त भी मैंने बोला था it's okay. Pranjal, correct. Rudransh, correct. Saransh Sudani, correct. Shreya, correct. Shreya, correct. Shreya, you send me half of the page, beta. Apur Verma, correct. Apur Verma, correct.
Ma'am, write on book.
Beta, unsane, your answer is wrong. Unsane, you say fourth answer is wrong. Fourth वाला wrong है. जो question number 4 है वो wrong है अंश. Aradhya, correct. Aradhya Mishra, sorry, Aradhya Mishra is correct. Shlokdeep, correct. Okay, now I'm checking third B's answers. One by one I'm checking and telling your name also. Vayun, correct. Siddhant, correct. Those who are not sending me, na, but I'll remember their names. Those who are not sending me the work, I'll note down their names and I will minus 10 marks from your maths exam. Kanha, very good. Rohit, very good. Who is this? 5757 वाला कौन है बेटा? ये कभी नाम नहीं लिखता है ये. Who is this? Tejas, correct. Arav, correct beta Arav. Good. Vikram, correct Vikram. Priya, correct beta. Mohammed Arhan, correct. Who is this? What is the name of this child? Navneet Kaur, कौन है ये बेटा? Navneet Kaur. I don't know the who's this number with the Navneet Kaur. Answers are correct with Naveen for Jasleen. It is correct.
Kutta.
All right. Who is this? Samarth Jaiswal correct. Prakhar Gupta correct. ये कौन है? अद्विता के नाम से आन्या है ना? आन्या correct. Anvi, not Anya. It's Anvi. I'm sorry, it's Anvi. Priya, very nice. Very nicely done, Priya. Avika, correct. Who is this? Anya. Anvi, sorry. I'm just saying Anya again. Dhruv Nivedya, Shreya Senni. Dakshita, correct. Dakshita, wait a second, Dakshita. I'm telling yours answer. Ayush, beta, ये नहीं करना था. This you don't have to do. आयुष, don't do this page. ये पेज नहीं करना है बेटा. जो मैं बोलूंगी वही पेज करना है. पहले से नहीं करके रखना है. All right. Dakshita, why your page is cleared? Dakshita, why your page is cleared? Arjun Yadav, what's going on बेटा?
मैम मेरी रजिस्ट्रेशन में काट दिया.
Next time it should not be there. Okay, very good. Who is this? Hardik. Very nice. Hardik is not having book, so he is doing one rough notebook. Very nice, Hardik. Okay, Mohammed Shazain, correct, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Prasang Gangwar. Yes, Prasang Gangwar, correct. Now tell me yourself, everyone, keep your hands down and mics off. Everyone. Now, those who did not send me their answers, raise your hands up. Raise your hands like this. ऐसे करके करना है कैमरे के आगे. Raise your hands जिसने नहीं send किया मुझे आंसर. प्रिया ने तो send कर दिया ना? Why are you raising your hand, Priya? Who did not send me the answer? Tell me yourself. Otherwise, I remember those names. Arjun Yadav, have you sent me the answer? Divit, I know. Divit, I know. Divit, keep your hand down. Raghav Negi, where is your answer? Raghav Negi, where is your answer?
Yes, ma'am. What?
Answers का है बेटा?
Ma'am, what
I
is
did
the
not.
question?
Coach, what is the question? You don't know? कहाँ थे तुम? हाँ, पूरे क्लास ने आंसर्स भेज दिए and you are asking what is the question, Raghav? Switch on your camera. That's why I always ask you to switch on your camera. Switch on your camera quickly. Akshita, have you sent me the answers? Where are your answers? Page number 4, maths book. It's written over here. Where you have done this? कहाँ है? Where is it, Raghav?
Ma'am, I don't have the book.
You don't have a book, then I told you, if you don't have a book, do it in rough notebook. See the question from the WhatsApp. Abhi karoge and you will send it to me right now. Arhan, where is your answer? Prakhar Gupta, where is your answer? I know all the names, those who are not sending me the answers.
Ma'am, I sent the WhatsApp.
Okay, आपने name नहीं लिखा होगा प्रखर. Arhan, have you sent me the answer?
Ma'am, right?
Yes or no? Arhan, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I told you yes ऐसे और no ऐसे. और खुद से बोलना है, मम्मी को नहीं बताना yes or no. आप खुद से बोलोगे yes, very good. मम्मी को नहीं बोलना पीछे से कि yes or no. आप बताओगे मुझको, ठीक है अरहान? Okay.
Ma'am, what right?
ठीक है अरहान? Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, what right?
Chaya करो. Chaya is in your class. हाँ, Chaya Kanodia, which class you are in, beta? In which section are you in?
Ma'am, I third.
Third A or third B?
Ma'am, third A.
Third A.
Ma'am, I am a Dhruv.
तो name तो change करो अपना बेटा.
Ma'am, my mother name is Chaya.
So change your name, rename yourself आता है इसमें बेटा option है. अपने rename करो फिर. Beta, I'm keeping all of you on mute. Raghav, let me do your
Send
work.
a pic of my work.
Wait a second, I am taking your attendance, so I put you on mute. 2 minutes wait कर लो. दक्षता तक हो गया ये. Pranjal, I think Pranjal it's been done. Shlok तक हो गया ये. After Shlok it's from Shreya. Okay. ठीक है. There are few students those who have not sent me the answers. So I want their answers today itself. ठीक. I remember their names also. Ritvik, have you sent me the answer? Yes or no? Say yes or no. Okay. All right. Now let's go to the next question. Today I'm having the last period also. No, ma'am. I will not listen anything. जब तक मैं बोलूँगी अब मैं बोलूँगी अब आप नहीं बोलोगे. Okay. Now we will start with the next question. Today I'm having the last period also. So we will do this work in last period also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Dhruv, bolo.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ ध्रुव, speak बेटा.
मैम मेरे पापा घर पे नहीं है शाम.
हाँ, what? What, Dhruv? Okay. Now, do you know ascending and descending order? What do you mean by ascending and descending order? Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Jasleen,
ma'am.
Jasleen, is your mother at home? Jasleen, is your mother at home or
Yes,
not?
ma'am. Ma'am, ascending is lower to higher and descending is higher to lower.
Very good, Vayun. तुम्हें तो सब कुछ आता है. हाँ?
Excuse me, ma'am. Climb upside.
Sure.
मेरी mom home में नहीं है.
उसी में लगा लीजिए.
Excuse me, ma'am. Climb upside.
What?
Ma'am, yesterday you have said you will take table test.
Acha, yesterday I asked you to tell the table test, but today I said someone. So today I told Priya, tell this to Priya that I will not ask you to learn the tables. Right,
Bottom
Priya?
to top. Excuse me, ma'am.
है ना Priya? But I will tell you one different way to learn the tables. Will you do that? Will you all do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You know bookmarks? What are bookmarks?
Yes.
You will make tables.
Bookmarks.
But not now. I will ask you tables. Not now. I will ask you to do tables after some time. Not now. Okay? Not now.
Okay, ma'am.
Learn नहीं करने को बोलूंगी. सिर्फ उसे याद रखना है. Learn नहीं करना है. याद रखना है. याद तो रख लोगी. है ना Priya? Is that okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Is that okay now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, so ascend means to go up. Ascend means to go up. And the descent word ascend, A-S-C-E-N-D. Ascend means to go up. अब आप up कैसे जाते हो मुझे ये बता. जब आप नीचे होते तभी तो ऊपर जाओगे.
Go stairs.
Go stairs. If you are down, then only you will go up now. If you are down, then you will go up.
That like 1, 2, 3, 4. That it is ascending.
Very good. From C.
क्या लिखना है?
बेटा C when हाँ.
मैम क्या लिखना है?
कहाँ क्या लिखना है? कहीं कुछ नहीं लिखना है ध्रुव. जो मैं कहती हूँ मेरी बात ध्यान से सुना करो. ओके? कहीं कुछ नहीं लिखना होता है.
Bottom to top and descending means
हाँ.
top.
अब मैं बोलूँ बेटा. Shall I speak? May I speak? May I speak? मैं समझा दूँ क्या होता है ascending descending. आपने समझा दिया? सारांश अब मैं समझा दूँ बेटा. Chalo, now the period is going to be over. Last period is again mine. So I will teach you from here only. Okay? Bye everyone.